People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Make sure say who no sub and click the bell, you know. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Lion foot now, take your fin up a pee show. No. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Big up the gully, God me by your peace and your flow. Greetings one and all. If you're in need of any graphic artwork done, such as business card, album cover, EP cover, single cover, party flyer, you know you can link up White Shadow Music Promo at gmail.com. Yeah man, from him I get the job them well professionally done. Link him up now. Get your booking. Prices are reasonable. Yeah man, real talk. Bless hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers. And we're not a long talking, you know, we want to hear what the brother have to say. There's the rank, speak up yourself. Great credit does the ranks. So people want to hear what the money has said. My fellow Jamaicans, listen what the money has said and do the research. And don't give up on the rights. You know, vote. If you don't give up the freedom for party. You see me? You know, vote. If you don't give up the freedom for live. You know, manipulate it. You see me? People. You hear the man of say?
Yo. Look at frustration, you know? But make we get it out now. Enough artists have a voice and them so quiet since the past few months. Enough of them so quiet. You know, I hear nothing from them. What? The only thing them know if you do, I go underneath girl and gun and all of them something. Where are their voices? Where are all of these artists that has been around? The few artists that I can sing, I can talk about stuff now are the one them where sell out themselves to the devil. And them I bring different kind of stuff to the people and I help formulate these things that are lies against rising up to your challenge. People, Jamaica talk about Jamaica a little bit. Jamaica used to be one of the most innovative country in the world. No, Jamaica, of anything Canada do, Jamaica do it. Everything America do, Jamaica do it. Why? Oh, we must follow what these people doing. Oh, we doesn't. The people don't have the resources to do it. Only many people can have enough food for 3 days Jamaica. Then say 3 days. Most of Jamaica downtown, you know. Most of Jamaica downtown. People hustle and buy food. You know, me talk to a whole heap of people down from the other day and the people them can't even buy them food. Come on, man. Yo, artists, I only more have to put on a voice in still, you know. Cause me not hear no music for no found yet. Me not hear no music, me not hear no good music yet. Me not hear nothing. No found know the truth. More people dead from the flu, more people dead from abortion, more people dead from domestic violence than this little thing where they might call coronavirus. On the thing that there's a big thing about coronavirus. How much people dead from coronavirus in Jamaica since the year start? How much people? How much people dead from gun violence? How much people dead from heart attack and starvation and other things? How much people dead from other things? Yo, hear me, man. Bob Marley, the only person we can sing about rise up and like stand up for rights. Let me tell you what I want, man. If enough of you don't understand, I mean, not talk about Jamaica, I talk about all over the world. If enough of we don't understand right now, so we are lose a lot of things to certain kind of people, globalization, globalist people them. I talk about all like, man, like imagine, 2 couple people, Bill Gates and Dr. Fauci, whoever them want name, I try to force vaccination from people because them want make certain amount of money. Come on. You don't never know say the courts a few days ago awarded a case against people getting vaccinated in the States against their own will. Did you guys know that? Somebody need to go do some research. Alright? But anyway, me want to hear some music I talk about rise up. Me want to hear some people some rise up music. People want to hear some positive music now in their brain. People are going through so much stress, and because of this stress, your body can't get strong and keep in a certain state. Your immune system are weakening up, and anything come against you, I go attack you and make you weak. So people need to hear some positive things. You know hear my tune them? Me released a song yesterday where say, me no take no vaccine, no to vaccine. Cause we no know, yo, most of my kids, me make sure them not get certain things long time, you know. Cause me no believe in a certain things. I see what the man them are saying in their report. There is no proof that it works. Me tell you something, no for no, I go disagree with me, but me no care. Me I talk about the people them when no say, you know, I lose out on the right. Don't give up. Don't give up on the rights to live free. Freedom, 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 freedom. Do not give up on the rights to live a free life, man. Come on, it hurt me so much. Me have to talk about it. Me can't hold it in no more. When the corona thing started, me I watch so much things about it. And certain things me couldn't believe and understand. I mean, I say something not look right until I start to listen to some people that talk the truth. And all of them videos I get banned off of this, banned off of that. Everybody dead know for dead from corona. How come? How come all the death rate from every how many years now of people who from heart attack going down, every other death rate going down and corona rising up? Don't you guys see something is wrong? Don't you guys see people are trying to push something over for uno? Not for uno attack on. You don't need to learn the facts, man. Stop watch the big news media them because they're owned by globalists and people who are trying to get certain kind of message out to you. Certain things they say they won't let you see it. Just go do your own research on things, man. Come on, man. You people don't know me, man. No found to know who me is, man. Desi Ranks, man. And hear me I say, man. Me and a little picnic. No found to know, say. Me not wrong. What do me I say? People want to hear from more artists. I sing things and make their voice be heard. The people want to hear, you know. They not hear nothing from, you know. Then right now, they want to hear, you know. Make them hear some things right now. New tune, them want to hear what go on right now. The people them want to hear some reality now, right now. Them don't know what to do. Them mind messed up. And stress I go affect them more. Imagine, domestic violence I go up. Come on, man. Domestic violence I go up. You know, people in their house and suicide I go up. Little kids abuse I go up. Man, stepfather, man, come on, man. These things are rising. You see what I want. Yo, hear me, man. Alright. Me just want to hear some of the music here. Me want to hear some artists put out some good music about this thing. Right now. Me no want to hear no more wind up and hand. Move on left hand and eat the girl them can right now. Because I'm not supposed to be 6 feet away from them anyway. So anyway. Hear me I say them people. Please. And say a prayer. Don't be scared to say a prayer. You are not going to know how powerful it is. I don't care if you believe in a God or Allah or who don't want to believe in her. Pray regularly because there is something about prayer that will help to heal the world. You hear me I say to you now? Trust me. There is something very powerful about it. That's why they don't want the churches to congregate. How come Walmart and Costco and these big places can open up and people in there every single day, nobody getting sick in there? How comes? Do you guys see something is wrong? And people can't go to church? Look how much seats inside a church. People can't stay 10 feet away from each other. Church, the pastor is, me know the pastor willing to have 5 services a day because he want people need encouragement right now. You know, see it. Anyway, everywhere in the world, people need encouragement. They need some strength. They need it, man. So I want to hear more stuff from you. I want to hear some more things, man. I want to hear more. I'm tired of just listening to one little crap. Enough I'm not tired too, but you know have a voice. Use it. Let's hear your voices, man. I want to hear it, man. Don't hurt my heart. Father, I ask you today to bless each and every one who my voice has touched. And I'm asking you, dear Lord, give them a strength. Give them some strength. Give them some energy. Open up doors for them, Father, so they can rise up against the evildoers of this earth who are trying to control the whole mass. Those few, I'm asking you, Father, to show signs upon them in your holy name. Amen. Father, people, I love you. Please, let's work together. Whoever want to believe, a few people can do a lot. Trust me. Let's make our move and rise up with our music. Rise up with our music. Alright? Freedom fighting through music. FFTM. I've been talking about it from the other day. FFTM. Freedom fighting through music. Freedom fighting through music. Let's do it. I know you can. Bless up all.
Alright, my fellow Jamaicans, my fellow all over the world, everyone there. Saying, man I talk facts, because enough of them artists have a voice, they not really come out and talk. It's like them scared. Or them afraid of Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness a bully people. See, Andrew Holness is a puppet. I'm not afraid to say that. Andrew Holness is a bamba hole. See, I'm not telling about his mama or his mother. But I'm a bamba hole, my people. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Big up Desi Ranks one more time. People are doing the research. They are forced to take the vaccine and also the chip. Because they want to rule and conquer the world. Alright, I'll say no more. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Lion Foot. Peace out.
We not vote, we not vote. If them not give me back the freedom free party, we not vote, we not vote. A petition, come on, let us start it. We not vote, we not vote. Every JLP candidate, we not vote, we not vote. Make we show them so we not joke. The England them downtown say them tired of the antagonization. The governments and them exploitation. Them politicians they are work for the pagan. Them sell out poor people like the sugar plantation.